I know it's a game, I'm not gonna play, but maybe you should do whatever you need to erase me. It's all just a game, you think I'm gonna play, but maybe you should do whatever you need to erase me.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I am really excited to be filming this video today. I don't even remember after how long I'm filming a makeup tutorial. It's probably almost a year. So yeah, I know it was really bad, but I'm so happy to be back and filming makeup tutorials. Thank you so much to those of you who constantly pushed me and supported me and asked me to come back to YouTube and start making makeup tutorials like before. So this video is for you guys, and I promise I'm gonna try really hard from now on and upload a video at least once a week. If not makeup tutorials, maybe reviews and demos, any sort of content, but I would be active. So please do support me in this new journey of mine. Your encouragement would motivate me to work hard and create content for you guys. So for today's video, I wanted to do something super dramatic because in a way it's kind of like I'm coming back, and I wanted to do that with a bang. So this is the look that I created. I actually wanted to do it for Pride Month, but I didn't get to film it then. But anyways, it's kind of inspired by Pride as well as Makeup by Lena. I've seen her doing similar eye look and I really wanted to try it. In fact, one of my followers actually sent me a few pictures of Makeup by Lena and asked me to recreate them. I don't exactly remember which picture she sent me, but I just wanted to recreate one of her looks. I absolutely love her. I would have her link in the description box for those of you who don't know, which is not possible. She's very popular and an awesome makeup artist. And for today's look, I have used the Morphe X James Charles palette. So let me not blabber anymore and get into the tutorial. So I'm starting off with this Pixie Rose Blend oil. My skin is extremely dry, so this oil is a must for me. It makes my skin look really hydrated and glowy. Next, I'm applying the Benefit Professional Primer. I'm mainly applying it on my T-zones and on the areas where I have open pores. And for my foundation today, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm in the shade Natural Beige. And I am blending it out using a damp beauty blender. Make sure to bring the foundation down onto your neck as well so that it doesn't look like you're wearing a mask. For my concealer today, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Medium and I'm applying it on all the high points of my face and blending it out using the same damp beauty blender. Next, to set my concealer, I'm using the RCMA No Color Powder and I'm applying it in all those areas where I've applied the concealer before. And now to contour, I'm using the Balm's Bahama Mama bronzer, and with a Sigma contouring brush, I am just slightly adding some color to bring back some definition to my skin. For my blush today, I'm using the NARS Orgasm blush and I'm applying it on the apples of my cheek. For my highlighter, I'm using the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. This is just absolutely gorgeous and I'm applying it in all the high points of my face. And then to set my base makeup in place, I'm using MAC Fix Plus. To fill in my brows, I've used Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown. Now let's move on to my eyes, and to prime my lids, I've used MAC Paint Pot in the shade Painterly. And I'm taking this yellow color first with a Zoeva blending brush and I'm applying it in my inner corner. Next, I'm taking this orangey yellow sort of a shade and placing it right next to the yellow in my crease area. Because I have hooded eyes, I have taken the colors way up above my crease. Next, I'm using this hot pink and again placing it right beside the orange. And lastly, for the crease, I'm taking this purple shade and applying it on the outer corner. If you want, you can use absolutely any color that you want, but just make sure it's really well blended. Use a clean brush to blend the edges properly. Now I'm taking this matte white shade and I'm just highlighting my brow bone. Next up, I'm taking this dark green shade and applying it on my lower lashes, the outer corner of my lower lashes to be precise. And next I'm taking this lighter green shade and I'm placing it right next to the dark green, kind of the middle of my eyes. And lastly, I'm again taking the same bright yellow shade and placing it next to the light green shade and just blending it in with my inner corner. To make sure everything is really well blended, I'm going in with a clean brush. And then for my lid, I'm using the Stila glitter eyeshadow and I'm basically trying to cut my lid with it, and I would be applying it all over my lid from my inner corner to my outer corner, and I'm creating this really nice shape with it. Next, I'm using this Inglot gel liner to outline the glitter eyeshadow so that it looks cleaner and more precise. Take your time with it and be as precise as possible. Then to add a little more drama and to make the black eyeliner even more precise, I'm using this gold liquid liner and I'm applying it right underneath the black one. And then to line my waterline, I'm using the Lakme Iconic Kajal in black. And I'm also tight lining with it. I'm using this black eyeshadow to smoke out my lower lash line a little bit more. Now it's time for mascara, and I'm using this L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara on my top lashes, and for my bottom lashes I'm going to be using a waterproof mascara. This is also from L'Oreal because my bottom lashes are pretty long and if I don't use waterproof mascara it smudges. And now for my lipstick, I'm using the Huda Beauty Bombshell Liquid Lipstick. I wanted the lips to be a little glossy, so I'm using this Pixie Lip Icing. To finish off the eye makeup, I'm using a pair of Jan's lashes. So I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and you liked this super dramatic look. I don't know if you would ever be able to wear this look anywhere, but still it was a lot of fun to create and I absolutely loved it. And please do like this video and share it with your friends and family if you want me to make more videos. In that way, it's just gonna encourage me and motivate me to work hard and create content for you people. And please do support me in this second phase of my journey. And by the way, if you guys don't follow me on Facebook and Instagram, please do that. The links would be down below in the description box. I create makeup tutorials live on Facebook every week, and I also post regular content on Instagram as well. So hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family so that I can reach more people. So till my next video, take care and bye bye.
I know it's a